Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a very quick review of Shortwave. Shortwave AI is an email client that integrates with Gmail and Google Workspace to offer advanced AI-powered features aimed at improving email management and productivity. It's designed for users who want to achieve inbox zero and streamline their communication. So I'm going to give you a brief review to highlight the pros and the cons. For the pros, we have strong AI features. That's right, like ghostwriter, the linear style to draft emails. We have instant summaries of emails and threads and stuff like that. Then we also have effective inbox organization. Yes, effective inbox organization. We have productivity focused design. Those are the pros. Productivity focused design, team collaboration. It has clean and intuitive interface and regular updates and development. So it is really good. Now when it comes to the cons, yeah, it's for Gmail, Google Workspace only. That is one of the major cons. And then it has no native desktop app at all. So while there's a web app that can be installed as a progressive web app, there's no dedicated native desktop application for Windows or Mac, which some users might prefer. And when it comes to pricing, why a free plan is available, it also has limitations such as restricted email history search. Up to only the most recent 90 days you can search using free plan. But if you need full access to all the features, you will need to subscribe to a paid plan. Next is a learning curve. Yes, you have to adopt the Shortwave methodology and utilize all its features effectively. And then it has potential for bugs because it's developing applications. And then it has mobile app limitation. The mobile app is available, but some reviews say that the Android app in particular has historically lagged behind the web and iOS versions in terms of features and stability. Hope you found this video helpful.